Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn settings for 2FA security, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your LinkedIn settings for two-factor authentication, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Me icon, which is your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, find the Sign In and Security section on the left side. Click on Two-Step Verification. You will see an overview of two-step verification features. If it's currently off, click the toggle to turn it on. You may be prompted to enter your password for security verification. Once you enter your password, click Verify. The next step will ask you to choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes. You can choose either a text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, enter your mobile number. Click Send Code to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code you receive in the space provided. If you prefer an authentication app, download an app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code displayed on the LinkedIn page with your authentication app. The app will generate a verification code. Enter that code into the LinkedIn page. Once you've entered the code, click Verify. To finalize the setup, ensure that two-step verification is now marked as active. Take a moment to review any backup options LinkedIn provides for recovery. This might include backup codes you can store safely. Confirm that your settings are saved and exit the Settings menu. You have now successfully updated your LinkedIn settings for two-factor authentication. Your account is now more secure with this additional layer of protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.